All right. This is just a quick video to show you where the pieces that you need um, to work 3.4, homework 3.4 are. So if you go to the assignments and you're looking for homework 3.4, there's some instructions there. So there's homework 3.4. Open that up. Gotta make sure you have SPSS on your machine, or you're using one that has SPSS. So first I'm going to download the template. So this has the homework that you're going to work, so to speak. Um, is it still opening? Okay. Okay. So here's the homework. You're going to you're going to run stuff in analyses in SPSS, and then you're going to cut and paste it into here. Okay, so this is telling you need to go to the datasets link and download computational review. Okay, so I'm going to leave this. I'm going to go back to homework 3.4. I got to find the data set. So I'm going to go to the home page. And the home page data sets here. And then I need to find computational review number 1. So it's about towards the bottom of the page. So when you click on that, it should open SPSS on your computer because that's the file that's associated, because that SAV file is associated with SPSS. If that doesn't work, what you can do is open SPSS, and then from within SPSS, go and find that file. So what I'm showing you here, mine was able to find it. So, but if I wasn't, I can just go File, Open, Data, and then go to your download section or wherever you need to go, and you can open that data set. Okay, so now that I have it open, the template is telling me I need to do certain types of analysis. So do an appropriate graph of marital status distribution. So what kind of variable is marital status? If you look here, it's just ones and zeros. And if you go to variable view, it'll show you that 0 is equal to single and 1 is equal to married. Okay, so that's a qualitative variable. So I know I'm going to need to do qualitative analysis. So I'm going to go graph. Bar. You could do bar or pi. And I'm going to click here. I'm going to go marital status in the category axis. I hit OK. And then there I have it. Okay, so now I need to cut and paste this to go into the Word document. So I'm going to go copy as image, and then I'm going to go to the Word document, and I'm going to paste the graph right there. It's a little too big, so I'm going to shrink it down so it doesn't take over the whole page. And there you have it. So I've done this first analysis. The next one, do an appropriate graph of the anxiety distribution with the normal curve as a background. So in that case, I'm going to go back to the data set, and anxiety is here. I'm going to go graph, and because anxiety is a quantitative variable, I'm going to do a histogram. So I'm going to come down here to histogram. I'm going to move anxiety over there. I'm going to click display normal curve so I have that as a reference. I'm going to hit OK, and there I go. There's the anxiety distribution. So I'm going to right click on that, copy as an image. I go back to my Word document, paste it in there. Need to shrink it down a little bit. Boom. All right, and then I had some questions I should answer here. Any deviations from normality, what would probably make the data fit the normal curve better. I'm answering those, and then I'm going to go down and answer other questions. I would save this file, and then I submit that file back within Canvas in the 3.4 assignment slot. So when I'm all done, I'm going to go back to assignment, go down to 3.4, and I'm going to submit the homework here. Just FYI, I also made a little thing that gives you instructions on how you paste tables into Word. If you have troubles with that, you can let me know, but I give you 2 methods to do that. And that's there. Okay, so that's homework 3.4, and hope that's helpful.